This is the Sigma 150-600 for Sony E-mount. You know that kind of stuff. Oh, this is a cool bag. Some sort of strap here or something. Oh, cool. It's a strap that goes, I guess, on the lens. We'll see. Nice bag. Oh, and then a lens cap. That's it in the box, guys. All right. Very nice. Cool little Velcro sock to go over the end. Nice feeling lens here, guys. Here's the tripod mount, 1/4-inch thread. Already got the grooves in it, ready to slide right on your tripod mount. Cool looking lens hood. This is a 95mm lens, by the way, guys. Okay, before I go any further, let's get a weight on this. 78.4 ounces, 4.146 pounds. Okay, by the way, we got some notches here, one here, and one here, and that's to hook up our strap. So if you want to hook the carrying strap up, it's already kind of pre-rigged for it. It's got the knob to be able to turn and rotate for 90-degree shooting. It's got a nice little magnetic. You can hear that click. It's locked into place, tighten it back up, and now you can shoot vertical. 2 programmable buttons. So check this out. You have L, T, and S. This is for your zoom. So right now it's locked. I can't zoom. Put it to T, and I can zoom, but it's fairly tight. Look how big that puppy zooms out. Put it to S, and it's much smoother. So if you're carrying this, this may tend to fall down if you have it in that S, but it's easier to move. So it depends on what you're shooting. If you want it to be tight, but still be able to move it, you put it on T. Now see, it doesn't fall out. Again, that's that Sony E-mount. Okay, we have a few settings here, guys. We have our focus. You can switch from autofocus to manual focus, switch back and forth. You have your focus limiter. You can go full focus, or you can do 10 meters to infinity. You'd want to increase that. If you know, what it does is it speeds up your autofocus. So if you know your subjects are at more of a distance beyond 10 meters, you would make that switch. So we have our image stabilization. We can be off. That's if you're using it on a tripod, you don't need stabilization. If you go to 1, that's handheld. You got up and down and side to side stabilization. If you're going to be shooting animals, say on the run, or birds in flight, something that's only really moving left to right on your screen or right to left, you can come over here and you still have the up and down stabilization, but you are free to move your camera and pan left to right. And then finally, we have some custom settings. And there you have the Sigma 150-600 f5 to 6.3 lens. This thing's awesome. Other than the paperwork and that Allen key, you get a bag, you get a lens cap, hard lens cap, you get a soft lens cap if that's what this is considered, but it definitely goes over the end. And then you get that, that strap that we showed you where to hook on. Guys, I fell in love with a telephoto lens that's capable of going out to 600 millimeters last year on our family trip to Alaska. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. But this thing's just going to be a lot of fun, just taking it around parks here in Florida and doing some shooting. We have a trip out to Badlands, South Dakota, that's coming up this summer. We'll also be in the Rocky Mountains a little bit, and I just can't wait to get some footage back for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys use a telephoto lens and which one. What do you like and dislike about it? Thank you for watching, and until next time, may God bless you.